Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to get the symmetrical filter on TikTok. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the Discover tab, a little magnifying glass above it, and click on Discover. Top of this page, you're going to see a search bar. Click on that search bar and type in all one word with no spaces, symmetrical face. That's going to bring up a list of videos that use the effect. The idea here is to find one that actually uses the effect. Click on one that looks good. I checked this one before, it is using it. Now the effect is actually called mirror reflection. You can see the icon at the bottom left-hand side of this video. To get the effect, just click on that icon, and that's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, where underneath the name mirror reflection, you can click on Add to Favorites. Also from this page, you can check out some of the videos that are actually using the effect. This one's kind of cool. That's a trip. I don't know what that is. That's so weird. Very, very cool. In any case, you can also access this effect by going to your favorites from the Me tab. I hope this video helped you out on how to get the symmetrical filter on TikTok. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Take care.